Hello everyone, this is Emerald and Gold Events. Quickly, who is Emerald and Gold Events? Our services is to deliver a top-notch event for your birthday celebration, wedding parties, burial ceremonies, and lots more. So today, we'll be taking you all on some lessons on how to make a balloon arc, especially this balloon arc you're seeing right over here. This balloon arc could be used for an indoor celebration, either for a small birthday celebration and you still want to give it that luxurious look. Here are some DIY steps you can take to achieve that. Follow up. The first thing we had was to get a balloon inflator. A balloon inflator. This one we are using is plugged to the sockets, and here is a video clip on how it is being done. Please take note. What we want to acquire here is to make sure they are not of the same sizes. If you look closely, you will see that the one on the right hand side looks a little bit smaller than the one on the left hand side. Also, while trying to inflate air into the balloon and making use of the balloon inflator, you open the balloon top, that is the tip, you open it a little and place it on the balloon inflator by pressing it down, and in doing so, air is blown into it. So after that is being done, the next thing we did was to cluster the balloons together. Please note, when we are trying to inflate air into the balloon, immediately we are tying the balloons together. So that is why we are having lots on the floor. And after doing that, we also still take the balloons and add another one together by clustering them together. So you can cluster by making use of just 4 balloons or 6 balloons. So the one we tried making use of in this place was taking them together. Can you see how it is being done? By just holding the middle tip and rolling them by clustering them. So we don't call it roll, we call them cluster. So we cluster 6 balloons gently together. Alright, and also the color used in this place is color white and blue. So in our next class, we would be showing you how we were able to cluster all the balloons together and how it was able to form an arc. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button. See you all in the next class. Bye for now.